But if people don't think they're creative, I don't believe them. I believe that everyone was born creative and can still be creative. If you can hold a pen, we can teach you how to doodle. If you can hold Lego bricks, we can teach you how to build. Creativity and the imagination is available. You just might not have used it for a while. I'm Robb Lockwood and I work for Atticus Hunter. We focus on coaching, training and facilitation, but really anything that helps you think differently. So what I like to do is to support people in developing their creativity and kind of reaching their imagination by using things like Lego and doodling. But not only does that let you have a bit of fun, but it also lets you share your thoughts with others in a very, very clear way. So if you're looking at a PowerPoint presentation or being just asked to listen to something and write things down, then to some degree you're engaging your visual learning modes and your auditory. But with the Lego, you also get to use your kinesthetic, your touch, because it's a tactile thing. The same with the doodling. You get to actually think things through, not just so it goes in and out of your hand on a piece of paper as words, but it goes in, gets processed, and then comes out as a metaphor on paper. I worked with a large team of 60 people that were new to working together, and they wanted to understand how they could become a high-performing team. So I split them into 10 tables of 6 and took them through the process of building different Lego models, where I would ask them questions and they would answer through the medium of Lego. But not only did they get to share their models, people got to ask questions, but it also removes that loudest voice in the room. Everyone gets to be a part of it. Everyone gets to be a part that builds that model. And eventually they came out with an understanding of where they are now, where they want to get to, and then we looked at the actions that they can take to actually get there. Someone that is creative and knows it, and they want to better themselves personally or professionally. Alternatively, someone that doesn't think they're creative. But if people don't think they're creative, I don't believe them.